Now let's turn our focus to nomenclature of carboxylic acid. How do you name carboxylic acid? If you have been following my series of nomenclature, by now you should be able to know how to name alkanes, alkynes, cycloalkanes. So if you know that you don't know how to watch this video yet, please leave a comment section that you need videos on those topics so that I will send to you directly. Please, kindly give this video a like. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, please kindly subscribe to the channel. It will be of great help to help other people see Chemistry TV. Do you understand? So now, how do you name carboxylic acid? The first thing you want to understand here is what? To identify the functional group. The functional group of carboxylic acid is what? Is COOH, or it can be CO2H. Do you understand? Now, this can be written as this. Now, this one is the carboxylic acid functional group. Now, carboxylic acid is what? Is the common name. But we have the IUPAC name. The IUPAC name is derived from the alkane. You understand? Remember, we have alkane. Alkane, right? Now, to transfer to carboxylic acid, the E in this alkane is removed. I replace what? OIC acid. Do you understand? So we call alkanoic acid. Alkanoic what? Acid. Now, what you want to understand here is that we have saturated alkanoic acid and what? Unsaturated alkanoic acid, which I want to teach you here in this video. Here, I want to teach you how to name alkanoic acid and what? I want to teach you saturated alkanoic acid and unsaturated alkanoic what? Acid. The one with a single bond and one with double bond. So that's what I want to explain to you in this video. So now, when it comes to alkanoic acid, now it depends on numbers of carbon atoms. So we are going to start from the simple one. If, for example, here I have one carbon atom here. Here we have this one here. This that. Now this one is the simplest carboxylic acid. Is the what? Simplest carboxylic acid. It has only what? One carbon atom. And the first member I got to be what? Is called what? Methanoic acid. It's called methanoic acid. Methanoic acid. Now, most of the alkanoic acids have their common name, but I'm not going to the common or the trivial name. Just I'm going to show you what the IUPAC nomenclature. It's called what? Methanoic what? Acid. Now, if I now have two, carbon atoms, if I have two carbon atoms, here we have CH2. Here we have CH3C. Now, what will be the name of this guy here? It's going to be what? Ethanoic acid. Ethanoic what? Acid. Very important. Now, if I have something like this, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2C. Now, what is the name of this one here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's going to be what? Pentanoic acid. Pentanoic acid. Pentanoic what? Acid. Now, what you want to understand here is that the carbon atom, the functional carbon atom, is always by carbon 1. That is what you want to understand. The functional group carbon atom is always by carbon 1. So, yes, always by carbon 1. So, no matter the length of the carbon here, that functional carbon atom is always by carbon 1. So if the functional carbon atom is always by carbon 1, it means that there's no point of putting what the position of the functional, because you only have one. So that's why we have what? Pentanoic acid, not one pentanoic acid. Now, if for example here I have, let me write this one here. Now, if for example here I have this one here, this is called skeletal structure. It's called skeletal structure. Now, that means what? Carbon 1, carbon 2, carbon 3, carbon 4, carbon 5, carbon 6, carbon 7, carbon 8. Now, all these points here means carbon atom here. So this one is also essential what? CH3 1, CH3 2, CH2 3, CH2 4, CH2 5, CH2 6, CH2 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you have this one here. Do you understand? So this clinical structure is also the same thing with this guy here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is name? It's going to be what? Octanoic acid. Octanoic what? Acid. Very important. Octanoic what? Acid. As easy as that. Now, so yes, always with my carbon 1. Now, all you have seen here, none of them have a double bond. But what about if not have a double bond? Like a double bond attached to it? Because this is called saturated. So what about if not have a double bond attached to it? This is where it comes in here. Remember, you have now all the functional group can be gotten from the nomenclature of all the functional group can be gotten from the alkanes. So now you have alkanes, right? If you should have the functional group here, it's going to be what? Alkanoic what acid. Do you understand? Now, if the functional group now have a double bond, for example, you have CH2 double bond CH2 CH2 COH. Now, the A here will now change to E. So that's going to be alkanoic acid. So it's going to be alkanoic what? Acid. Not alkanoic. Alkanoic acid is when they all have single bond. But once there is a double bond, it's now going to be alkanoic what? Acid. Do you understand? So now remember, if for example I have this guy here, how do we name these compounds? How do we name this compound? So I'm going to show you, very important. Now, this functional group here is always what my carbon 1. This one is always what my carbon 1. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, and what? And 4. Can you see that? 1, 2, 3, and what? And 4. Now, let's say by step. 4 carbon atom here is what? Is butane. But here we have carboxylic acid. It's still going to be butanoic acid. It's still going to be butanoic acid, right? Now, but there's a double bond here, right? But there's a double bond here. So it's no longer butanoic acid again. The A will change to E. So now it will be butanoic what? Acid. Do you understand? Butanoic acid is when there's only single bond here. But since there's a double bond here, now we're going to be butanoic acid. Now, another thing I want to understand here is that, remember, here is only by carbon 1. But what is the position of this functional group here? This double bond here. It's at what? Carbon what? 3. If you come from here, 1, 2, 3. The double bond is at carbon 3. So I'm not going to name it. So you must put the position of what? Of the En. So that would be but. But means 4 carbon. Now, En means what? Double bond here. Double is a carbon 3. So going to be but 3-enoic acid. This is that. Or you can say 3-butanoic acid. That is it. As easy as that. So this artwork name saturated and what unsaturated carboxylic what acid. So let's do this practice exercise. Let me show you how to name this one here. Since I've got to what the foundational aspect or how to name carboxylic acid here. So let's look at this one here. So let's look at the first one here. So here we have the functional group here. Now it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So remember the carbon atom with the functional group is always my carbon 1. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? If you check very well, you have a methyl and what? An ethyl. Can you see that? Ethyl and what? And methyl. If you check very well. Now, remember the parent is going to be what? Pentanoic acid, because it's what? 5 carbon atom, pentanoic acid. Now, but I can't remember 3, I have an ethyl. I can't remember 3, I have a methyl. So you must arrange them alphabetically. The E will come before what? M in alphabetical order. So going to be what? 3 ethyl. Then we have what? Here we have what? 3 methyl. Then we have pentanoic acid. Do you see that? pentanoic acid. That is name. Now I want to wipe this place here. I want to wipe so here. I want to rearrange stuff here so that you name it and leave at the comment section. Now it's very important you are active with this class here. Whenever I say you try a question, please try as much as possible to what do that question and leave at the comment section. Because I need to be active when you are in the class learning. Have CH3, CH2, C, here we have BRO, here we have Cl, here we have C, here we have NO2, here we have. So go ahead and name some here. So this one is try one. Try one. So what is try one? Leave at the comment section. Do you see that? Now let's go ahead and name some here. So here we go to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Now here we have isopropyl. Now if you don't know about propyl, you need to understand here. Whenever I see CH bracket CH3, now this is just like a carbon carrying what 2 methyl group and what 1 hydrogen. Now the name of this thing is called isopropyl. So the name of this guy is called isopropyl. And in isopropyl, you don't use P, you use the I in your alphabetical order. Now here we have nitro. Nitro. It's okay. Here we have bromo. And here we have what? Chloro. So there are things you need to take note of here when you are naming these compounds. So what is the parent name? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Heptanoic acid, right? So in alphabetical order, I think B will come before C. Then after C is what is I. After I is what is N. Just in alphabetical order. So going to be what? So you should not. Here's my carbon 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Right? So what would now be the name here? So going to be 4 bromo, 5 chloro, 2 iso, 4 nitro heptanoic acid. So these are going to look like. So going to be 4 bromo. Then here we have what? 5 chloro. Right? Then here I have 2 isopropyl. 2 isopropyl. 2 isopropyl. Then you have 4, sorry, let me just 4 nitro. 4 nitro. 4 nitro heptanoic what acid? Heptanoic acid. Can you see that? 4 bromo, 5 chloro, 2 isopropyl, 4 nitro heptanoic what acid. That is name. You see that that is the name of this compound here. So go ahead and name some for me. Leave it at the comment section. Leave at the comment section. If you want to create video on this one here, to name some, leave at the comment section that you want to create video on that. So but try as possible to name some for me. So now let's move to this one here. Let's move to this compound here. How do you name this compound? Now, therefore, we have 2 methyl and a bromo, but that isn't the problem. That's not what. That isn't the problem here. So therefore, let's name the parent's name. Now this one is carrying a double bond, right? So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. So it's going to be hexanoic acid. So a 6 carbon chain carboxylic acid with a double bond. So here, remember, here's what my carbon 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So it's going to be what? At number 5, have a double bond. Normally, it's supposed to be a hexanoic what acid, right? Because there's a double bond here. Now, but where the position of the double bond at 5? So it's going to be 5 hexanoic what acid. 5 hexanoic what acid. 5 hexanoic what acid. Now, I can number 4, I have a bromo. So I have a bromo carbon, a bromo atom. So it will be 4 bromo. Then I can number 3, I have a methyl. So it's going to be 3,3-dimethyl 5-azenoic acid. That is it. Please, if this video is helpful, please leave at the comment section. This video is helpful. Please go ahead and name this one for me and name some for me. Please try as much as possible to leave at the comment section. Kindly share this video with your friends who are also looking for this type of content. Recommend chemistry to your friends. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.